Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by logging into Roblox on a trusted device and confirming basic security. Once logged in, go straight to Settings and open the Security tab. This shows whether two-step verification is active and which recovery methods exist. Make sure your email address and phone number are current, because Roblox ties backup codes and recovery options to those. You need access to the registered email or Authenticator app to retrieve or regenerate any code, so pause and verify those now. Once you're in the two-step verification area, look for the backup codes section. Roblox shows existing codes or lets you generate new ones. If codes exist, copy them immediately and store them in an encrypted place such as a password manager. If not, select Regenerate. This invalidates old codes and creates a fresh set, which is safer. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts and authenticate with your email or Authenticator app, so the system confirms you authorize the change. Finally, verify the codes work by logging out and using one during sign-in. Remember, each backup code is single-use, so test only one. After testing, store the rest offline, an encrypted file, hardware token, or a printed copy kept in a secure place, so you can access them if your authenticator or phone is lost. If you encounter errors or codes don't work, contact Roblox support for account recovery and be ready to prove ownership with email timestamps or purchase receipts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.